Gardening sort of came as a bit of an offshoot to me trying to put in some grass in an area which was full of double Gs and other little sharp objects here. So the idea was to grass it up a little bit so that children up at the tennis club can somewhere safe to sort of play and kick the ball around while mum and dad are watching kids play or take lessons. So when I did that, then thought I'll grow a few vegetables. Keeps me outside, keeps me healthy, productive exercise. And if it's successful, then we get to eat some of the goods. Well, about the only thing I'm particularly good at growing is spinach, but that's all right. And some salad vegetables. I also have a couple of fruit trees here, which are a legacy of the previous owners, and I spent a fair bit of time trying to produce fruit from them, mandarins, lemons, and I put in a few other fruit trees, which I guess at some stage might reward us with some lime and also some oranges. But I guess the main thing is just spending some time out here and trying to control some of the little insects and bugs, etc. But that doesn't worry me too much now, because I guess the birds and the other things have got to eat them, so it keeps the cycle going. The involvement of other people comes with people coming by here and enjoying it and stopping to chat every now and then and offering advice, which is always well received. If you need something to help you get access or to rest your knees and that, then just to use those sorts of aids to make it less stressful physically. Using kinetic skills to move things, to lift things. I find with pots it's not necessary for me to lift them. I can always roll them or use other ways to move them without putting a lot of stress and strain on the back. It's a good way to spend a few hours a week and enjoy the fruits of it.